Guys, we are realistic right now. Look at this. Ice everywhere, snow piling up, and our tires? Useless, zero traction. We're going in our fist, but today, we're testing these heavy-duty snow chains. If they work, we're driving out of here. If not, well, let's hope they work. Step 1. Unhook chains. Okay, getting these on is not fun in freezing temps. But it's way better than sleeping in this car overnight. Yes, look at that. We're moving. These chains just turned our stranded ride into a snow-plowing beast. Would trust in a blizzard. Would you risk winter driving without these? Drop a comment and hit subscribe for more survival tests.